Girl Talk with Lee, and this is your girl Lee, and with a bob today. Um, I got this from divatress.com. Oh my god, these wigs are bomb. They're synthetic, but ooh, it is bomb and it is light for this hot weather. But anyways, one of our siblings left a comment in our comment box on Girl Talk with Lee, our Instagram page, asking how to stay motivated and confident. And I assumed in terms of pursuing your dreams. So these are the ways that I stay motivated while I'm pursuing my dreams. So number one, whenever you have a dream, you have to set a goal and you have to work towards it. So you have to be consistent, because if you're not consistent with what you're doing, then you're always gonna have to start all over again. So you have to always work at it. It's like going to work and coming back home from work, clocking in, clocking out. You know you have to do it, because if you don't do it, you don't eat, you don't get paid. So think about it that way. Think about, oh my God, if I do not work hard to achieve my dream or to achieve this goal, I won't eat. I won't have anything. So use that as a motivation. Number two, you have to just believe that God will meet you halfway. So if you are doing your part, trust the process. I know sometimes it can take a minute, it takes a long time. You're like, God, do you hear me? Hello? Are you out there? Sometimes that's how it feels like, but everything is on His time. His time is the best time. So just keep working, trust Him like He got you. Like He got you, okay? Number three, a support system. A support system is very, 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 very important. If you are around people that support you, that encourages you, you're more likely going to remain confident, because they're like, you know what, girl, you can do it. You know what, girl, this is a good idea. You know what, girl, how can I be of help to you? That will keep you motivated. You feel like you have a support system. They got you no matter what. Whereas if, in contrast to you being around people that are Debbie Downer, like, oh, that sounds stupid. Oh, that's never going to work out. Oh, that's stupid, girl. Why are you wasting your time? By you hanging around people that are not support systems, you're more likely not going to do what you're supposed to be doing for yourself, and that will not motivate you. That will actually discourage you from doing anything. And discouragement is one of the barriers in achieving goals. So stay away from Debbie Downers, those that won't support you at all. Okay. Another way is have a positive mentality. Have a positive mindset. If you always think that, oh my God, things are not good, things never work out, then you're just going to be attracting bad energy. Bad energy will come from here, will come from here, will come from here, will come from here. But if you think positive, if you're a positive person, not only do you attract positive energy, good things will happen. So just remain positive. Remain positive. I know it's very hard, especially when you are achieving your goals and you're doing it alone. Sometimes you feel like, oh God, like, how am I gonna get through this? Oh, what's gonna happen? Just trust, just believe, and just have that positive mindset that all things will work out in the end. And lastly, dress like a winner. And there are things that, when I mean dress like a winner, I don't mean that the clothes makes the man or the clothes makes the girl. But if you present yourself as a winner, you feel good about yourself. When you look good, you feel good. Like, I actually believe that, because I remember there was a time in my life where I was beyond depressed, and I didn't take care of myself. I never wore makeup. My hair was always like, my hair was not kempt. I was just out of control because I was just terrible. The moment I started taking care of myself, I'm like, let me learn how to do a little bit of eyeshadow. Let me learn how to put on lipstick. Let me learn a little bit of mascara, a little bit of foundation. Let me learn how to make myself a wig, or buy a wig online. Then I just started feeling good about myself. Of course, I had those other 4 steps, like I believing in God and setting goals and my support system. You know what I mean? Those were the tools that also aided me into want to also like feeling like a winner and having that positive mentality, like that aided me in feeling like a winner and wanted to be like and wanted to come across as a winner. You know what I mean? So I hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to message me on Instagram, my Facebook, Girl Talk with Lee's there, Twitter, Girl Talk with Lee, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until the next time, guys, I'll see y'all later. Because the girls are